Welcome to Morningside Elementary. We're here at the Media Center and we're about to have a fabulous journey. Again, class, I would like to welcome you to Morningside Elementary, and we're here in the Media Center. We're so glad to have you today, and today we'll be exploring the library from top to bottom. You'll learn more about books, computers, our reading area, and lots of other fun things. One thing you'll notice when you walk around the Media Center is the large amounts of books that we carry. Class, this is what you call a book cart. Students return their books to this cart after they are done reading them. And today we will learn about the different sections that the library carries as far as books. We have easy books, fiction books, non-fiction books, biographies, and also reference material sections. So at the end of this presentation, you'll be able to come up to the book cart and take it where it properly belongs. Let's start with the easy book class. These books are considered easy because they are mainly picture books with limited words, and they are great for young readers. Here is an example of a picture book. Most times you have a very large picture with writing, which probably consists of 2 to 3 lines that are very easy to read and help young readers gain confidence as they grow. While searching for an easy book, hopefully the section in the Media Center is labeled, and once you get to the spine of the book, you should see an E. The E represents easy, and under the E you will see like 2 to 3 letters, and these 2 to 3 letters represent the author of the book. Enough with the easy books. Now let's move on to fiction books. Fiction books are any form of narrative that does not deal with factual events, but rather imaginary and invented by authors. When looking for a fiction book, the same goes as when looking for an easy book. The F represents fiction, and the letters that are under the F represent the last name of the author that you are searching for. Here is an example, class. On the left, you have an easy book, and to the right, you have a fiction book. Take a look at the difference. You see you have a large picture on the left with only one sentence, and on the right, you have a long paragraph full of words with no pictures. So you normally start with easy books and work your way up to the larger, more difficult books. This is another comparison that can be made between easy books and fiction books. The easy book is on top. Look how slim it is. And the fiction book is on the bottom. And look how big that is. Which one would you like to read? Class, wave bye-bye to the easy books and the fiction book section. Now we will head to the non-fiction section. Class, the non-fiction section is entirely different from the fiction section. Non-fiction is based on real-life events and facts. Class, the Media Center consists of shelf markers. The shelf markers let you know what is there on the shelf. And this one right here reads 796799.99, which is sports. And we know what to label these because of the Dewey Decimal System. The Dewey Decimal System is a system that media specialists use to classify books and group them like they need to be grouped. Now let's move to the biographies. Biographies are narratives about different people and their life. For example, there are plenty of books in the Media Center that talk about several figures in politics, such as Barack Obama, Maya Angelou, Nelson Mandela, even sports stars like Dante Culpepper. This section is known as the AR books. AR stands for Accelerated Reader. Accelerated Reader program is a program that rewards students on the amount of books that they read. You will find a label like this in all your AR books, which gives you the name of the book, the author, the reading level, the point value, and your AR quiz number. which allows you to take a quiz after you finish reading to test your knowledge on the book. And you can earn points for your class so y'all can, win that big ice cream party at the end of the year. Class, this is the reference section. This is where all the research happens. You have encyclopedias, dictionaries, almanacs, periodicals, everything. This is, if you want to find something out, this is the section that you need to come to. This encyclopedia has information that starts with the letters J and K. If you're looking at information about a kangaroo, you would come to this encyclopedia. If you was looking at information about jets, you will also come to this encyclopedia. Class, next you will come across dictionaries. Dictionaries come in all shapes and sizes. Dictionaries help find the meaning of words that you do not know, and also helps you be able to pronounce these words. Also in our reference section, we have atlases and globes. As you know, atlases consist of maps, and a globe is a round map, and it spins and shows the actual picture of the earth. You can place your finger anywhere, and 9 times out of 10 it will land somewhere, and just by knowing where a place is located, it'll tell you a lot about that place. Children, this is the section where your teachers come and check out DVDs for you all to watch. Most times these DVDs correlate with what you are learning in class, or if you are having a good week, they'll come by on a Friday and just pick up a DVD so you all can watch it in class for having good behavior all week and getting your lesson. Class, here are the audiobooks. The teacher picks up these audiobooks and plays it while you follow along as the narrator reads the story to you. This is the computer workstation. We're in a technology age, so a lot of things that we used to do manually, we now have to go to the internet for them. So this is the internet section where you can do your AR quizzes, or you can also do Google searches for information for your class. Class, this is an area where you can come, have a seat on the floor, grab you a nice book, lay down and read. After you finish looking around the media center, you finally figured out what you would like to check out. You have to make your way to the front desk to get assistance with checking out a book. Before you leave the checkout counter, you must slide your book under this scanner so we will have a record of who has what book. Class, this is a Promethean board. This is where all the interactive learning takes place, which allows you to actually come up to the board and write on it. Say for instance you're doing math problems, you can come up and add the 2 + 2 = 4 and everything. Class, this is where the Morningside morning show takes place, WSUN. Children have an opportunity to come in, get the morning announcements, the moment of silence, and say the pledge. This is the distance learning center in the library, where you can sit in front of here, and as you can see, the webcam is focused on you, while in the other place they also have a webcam that's focused on the other children that's in another classroom, and you all can interact through the webcam.